I hope you watch this, and it helps you out a bit. Alright, yeah, anyway.
Oh my fucking god! Holy fucking shit!
So, oh yeah, by the way, your Oblivion videos are great. Keep making those, please. So yeah,
I'm gonna fucking break something. I'm gonna break something. Holy shit! What? I don't fucking get it! I don't get it! I don't get it! I don't get it! I don't understand. Oh my fucking god! Oh my god! I had 40 picks! I lost 20 of them doing this shit. I don't get it! I don't get it! I'm doing fucking everything right! This picking, it's so goddamn dog shit! I don't... Oh! Oh, I did it! I did it! I did it! Ah! No! No! Fuck! I don't want to do this again! There has to be another option. Whoa.